This is Backpackers Blueprint. I'm Jack Thompson. This is Hampi.
I've stood on the plazas of Tikal, walked the terraces of Machu Picchu, but Hampi offers something different. It isn't just a collection of temples, it's a sprawling, high-performance urban megastructure that pushes stone to its absolute physical limits. Hampi is a 25 square kilometre site where every single rock has been considered, carved or conquered. It isn't just a ruin, it is one of the most sophisticated urban experiments ever attempted by the human hand. And in the first part of this two-part exploration, we're going to discover the sacred temples and finish by climbing the hill that was the refuge for the Monkey King Sugriva and his advisor Hanuman. It is also home to one of the most spectacular views over India's landscape, and I'm going to climb it today so you don't have to. Let's get to Hampi.